Welcome to a deep dive into the most pressing workplace question of our time. Is AI coming for your job? I'm sharing my personal journey. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's rapidly changing how we work. But what does that really mean for job security? The headlines scream about AI replacement, leading to widespread fear and anxiety. But is the reality a complete takeover, or something more nuanced? I'll share my own experience of integrating AI into my daily work. How did it feel when the tools arrived that could supposedly do what I do? Let's acknowledge the initial AI takeover scare. It felt like a race against a machine, and many of us braced for the worst. The first step was identifying which parts of my job were mundane, repetitive, and perfectly suited for AI automation. This was the low-hanging fruit. Initially, seeing AI handle core tasks was unsettling. I wondered, if a machine can do this faster and error-free, where is my value? I quickly realized that AI wasn't a replacement, but a co-pilot. It became a powerful assistant that elevated my capability, not eliminated my role. By offloading repetitive tasks to AI, I freed up significant time and mental energy. No more drowning in the tedious parts of the job. The result was a dramatic increase in efficiency. What used to take hours now takes minutes, allowing me to focus on high-impact projects. The role itself didn't vanish, it evolved. The new focus shifted from execution of tasks to management and strategic oversight of AI tools. This shift demands leveraging uniquely human skills: creativity, critical thinking, strategic planning, and emotional intelligence. The most crucial step is upskilling. Learning to prompt, manage, and verify AI outputs is the new essential skill set. So did AI take my job? The answer is no. It took the tasks that were weighing me down and gave me the space to grow. AI is a phenomenal tool. It amplifies human potential, making us better, faster, and more effective at our core competencies. The future of work is not AI replacing humans, but rather humans collaborating with AI to achieve unprecedented results. Embrace the change.